Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washer, and we're on here today finishing up one of what I call monster flat work jobs. I mean, it's a lot for that little machine, but we're here from about 8:30 to almost 3:30, but we did the curbing, of course, make it look good. We did the common sidewalks to make them look good. We did the sidewalks for the house and the front porch. We did the entire driveway area. Now their driveway area is kind of unique. It's huge for parking, but it goes in between these two buildings, and then it goes to a sidewalk where several things happens. It goes to the back of this building, goes to all the air conditioner systems. Got a cool little area here that's kind of small, goes all the way there. Then a sidewalk that goes into the very pretty outdoor area. This outdoor area probably on its own took about 3 hours because it is a lot of area, and it's multiple levels. There's a level here, there's a level up there, there's another level over there where the enclosed fire pit area. It's always really dirty. We don't do it but every few years. You know, their grill area, their outdoor area, egg area is really always big. That's pretty good size up there. So there, all the way to the road. We usually start back here, 3 hours back here, and then the rest of it is going to the front and doing the front. But it's a monster job. We usually take care of the little building because it's usually moldy by the time we get back here. There's a lot of edging, a lot of wand work, just due to the fact that it is like this. This is a pre-treat, a scrub, and a post-treat on every piece of concrete here. In between all that is a pain in the butt. There's no drainage. Oh yeah. But when it gets done and it dries, it looks absolutely phenomenal. So that wraps up today. Hopefully there won't be another big flat work job like this for a little bit, because this is tiring. Pushing that surface cleaner. Whew. Anyway, there's where we are. On to the next. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.